Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It's your boy Purple Slushy NFT. If you want to keep up to me on a day-to-day basis, make sure you follow my links in the description down below. Follow me on Twitter. I will also leave the link to my Discord in the description down below as well. Getting started with today's video, we are back with one of my favorite projects of all time, being Lyke Island. They announced a while back that they're going to be doing a Gen 2, and I kind of want to talk about what Gen 2 has in store for all of us. So let's go ahead and check out this video that they have on Gen 2, and then we will go ahead from there and talk about what Gen 2 has in store for us. Here we got all the islands. Where are the people at? We got all these islands but no people. What the heck? Oh? The Hargitys? Where are they at? Huh? In space? The star base? Now that's a sick island. Gen 2, the inhabitants of Lyke Island and where they went, coming soon. So our second collection, the inhabitants of Lyke Island and where they went, or Lyke Islanders for short. 3,000 inhabitants, 90 new animated unlockable plots. Gen 2 explores the inhabitants of Lyke Island, people, animals, mythical creatures, supernatural, extraterrestrial, and where they went after a mysterious event occurred on the island. 100% allow list. Gen 1 holders get 2 mints per plot, date and price to be announced. So if you guys don't already know, Lyke Island is a project that's been out for a couple months now. The floor price is holding pretty strong. It's at about 2, and the floor is pretty thin up until 3. And then from there, the price gets a little bit higher and higher from there. So these plots are super dope. It's a collection of 120 items with 112 owners, and 86 volume has been traded. So if you own one of these islands, you will then be able to get 2 mint spots per plot if you have an island. These are some of the inhabitants that are going to be of the Gen 2 collection. Make sure if you want to come check this out, make sure you hop over to the Lyke Island Twitter page, which I will leave in the description down below as well. So there will be 3,000 generated and curated inhabitants, each made up from a wide range of hand-drawn traits with some animated traits as well. As being ranked by their traits, the collection will include a number of one-on-ones and rare individuals, some of whom belong to a family or group. Some individual inhabitants will unlock a special animated plot telling the story of where that inhabitant went after a mysterious event that occurred on the island. Some special plots will be unlocked by collecting all of the inhabitants from a group or a family. Have you ever wondered what the Lyke Islanders look like? Have you ever mused by why they left the island? Join us as we continue to piece together the Lyke Island history. The Lyke Islanders, rare characters and families, will equal unlocking a new and unique plot. 3,000 randomly generated inhabitants, people, animals, mythical creatures, supernatural, extraterrestrial, each made up from a range of hand-drawn traits. As well as being ranked by their traits, the collection will include a number of one-of-ones and rare individuals, some of whom belong to a family or group. If you collect an entire family or one of the rare individuals, you will unlock a new unique plot that tells the story of where those inhabitants are now since leaving the island. Super exciting stuff. For example, collecting all the members of the Hargitty family who lived in Hargitty's lighthouse will unlock their new location, Hargitty's Starbase. The new plots will come in a range of sizes, small, medium, and large, mega, and will explore a range of new locations. Post-launch, Gen 2 holders will be entered into a regular lottery, frequency to be announced, with the winner receiving an exclusive unique plot airdrop to their wallet, which tells the story of their inhabitant and its new location. Stay tuned for more sneak peeks, finer details, and giveaways as we progress the development stage. If you're not already in the Discord server, come and meet the island community whilst our borders are open. Link is in our bio. To find out more about our first collection and the journey so far, check out this thoughtful thread by one of our holders. So definitely come and check out this thread. I will leave the link to this Twitter in the description down below. But this is super dope. We got some people trying to figure out, where the inhabitants belong, where the actual island plots they are from are. So it's super exciting stuff. I've been a fan of Lyke Island since the start. I was in their Discord the very first day it opened, and I've been a part of the Lyke Island family ever since. I remember when the Discord had, or the Twitter page had less than 1,000 followers, and or less than 500, and here we're at 37,500 followers later. It's cool to see the Lyke Island family grow. Let's check out the Discord and see what they got going on over there. So let's go ahead and open up the Discord. So how to become a Lyke Islander. So quick tips, Lyke 101. Build real relationships with other members in the server. Acquire roles by interacting with different channels features here. Look for ways to help other members in the server. Embrace diversity and learn about the wide range of people we have here. Always give back to the community in your own unique way. Plan to stay for a while. Don't try to rush things. You might find you like it here. Gen 1 was 120 plots that come together to make up the island. Gen 1 holders will get 2 whitelist spots for Gen 2. Gen 1 owners get access to exclusive tenant chat and giveaways to upcoming projects. 3,000 for Gen 2, 3,000 NFT collection, 84 one-of-one plots. Collect entire families or rare pieces to unlock one-of-one plots. Mint date coming up in June. So we're still 2 months away, plenty of time to get yourself whitelisted. So like I said, to get whitelisted, like that said, come in here, make friends with people, maybe do some art, help out the community, and they always have events. They just recently had a cleanup event, so a lot of people went to different beaches or things like that, and they made videos of themselves cleaning up, and whoever was able to clean up the most trash, they were actually able to earn a whitelist, and that was one of the events that they just did. They also have another event going on. Let's go over here and check out the Island events page. They are going to have a Meta Olympics that is going to be coming out soon, which is a cross Discord competition. A lot of games going on like Smash Cards, Straw Battles, Codenames, Tetris, Chicken Fights, and more to come on that end. So definitely come over here and check out the different events that they got going on. They also do giveaways quite often. Now, it's really cool, the giveaways that they do. They're super, super dope. So for the most part, for the tenants, if you're a tenant, which is one of the holders of the island, you have a really high chance of winning one of the whitelists for all of the giveaways that they do. As we can see, they're doing a Metabucks whitelist giveaway, which is a really hype project that's going to be coming out soon. So 15 winners, and there's only 75 people signed up for that. So you have basically like a 1 in 4 chance of winning that, or no, 1 in 5 chance, I think, of winning that, which is pretty cool. And then there's also a Metabucks giveaway for all the people in the Discord that are in here as well. Right now, only 857 people signed up, but we can see they did a giveaway for Miaverse. This was for for anybody in the Discord as well. They did one for a low community, which is pretty cool. They did one for Whiskers, which was super dope as well. Vibeless spot. They have a bunch of really good giveaways that they got going on all the time. So coming over into the Discord, maybe you'll catch a giveaway and you might win. Also, if you're a tenant, make sure you are signing up for the giveaways every time they come out, because it's a good way of being able to catch a whitelist, since there's only 100 people or 120 people that own plots. There is also an alpha chat for the tenants, which they give really, really good alpha in there. I'm not actually going to show the alpha chat because it's mainly for people that own the islands, but there's some really good information that's in there as well. With that being said, definitely come over here and check out the island chat. like I've said a million times before, Lyke Island is probably one of the most wholesome communities I've ever been a part of. I've made a lot of friends that I'm still friends with in this community to this day. So coming over here and talking to people, you'll definitely make some friends and have fun, and it's a great place to be. This project is done by BMC Cannings, Mike Cannings, and Ash Bestos, who is the animator. They both have extensive art backgrounds. They both, have worked on magazines. You can check out their links by going to the description down below, and I will leave their Twitter links in the description as well. With that being said, there's always a lot of fun stuff going on with the Discord. There's going to be a lot of whitelists being allocated for people for Gen 2. So if you missed that Gen 1 and you still want to be part of the Lyke Island community, definitely come over and join the Discord and say hello. If you see me in there, definitely say hi to me as well. But that's pretty much everything that I got for you guys today. If you want to go ahead and like the video, I would greatly appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. And if you would also like to subscribe to the channel, you can do so as well by smashing that subscribe button. Till next time, it's been your boy Propel Slushy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later. Peace.